Artificial intelligence with Python. What is artificial intelligence with Python? With Python being a versatile and powerful programming language, it has become the go-to choice for developing AI applications due to its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries designed for data manipulation and analysis. Why use Python for AI development? Python's popularity in the AI community can be attributed to its user-friendly syntax, dynamic typing, and high-level data structures, making it easier for developers to prototype and deploy AI models quickly. Machine learning and data science in Python. Machine learning, a subset of AI, empowers systems to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. Python's rich ecosystem of libraries, including scikit-learn and pandas, provides developers with the tools to build predictive models, perform data analysis, and extract valuable insights from large datasets efficiently. Deep learning and neural networks. Python, with libraries like Keras and PyTorch, empowers developers to construct deep learning models for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition effectively. Automation and computer vision. Computer vision, a subfield of AI, focuses on enabling machines to interpret and analyze visual information from the environment using digital images or videos. Decision-making and predictive analytics. Through supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and ensemble learning techniques, Python facilitates the development of predictive models that provide insights into future outcomes and behavior. Conclusion. In conclusion, the synergy between artificial intelligence and Python has transformed the technological landscape, enabling developers to create innovative solutions across diverse domains.